Que no me botan acá. La pinche tacuache, wey. ¿Qué onda, nacos? Y'all thought I was gone? Y'all thought I was gone? Well, I'm not. I'm back. Y'all like my little setup? I know this looks really bad, but I just wanted to get back to it. I just wanted to get back in there, do the video because I've been gone for a while. You know, things been going on, things been happening, but we're all good. We're all good here. All good vlogger does a tutorial. So today we're doing a makeup tutorial. We're doing ghetto Highdira style makeup. So I don't really do my makeup all the time, only sometimes when I'm not feeling lazy. I don't know if I'm doing it right, I don't know if I'm doing it wrong. I just, you know, these are techniques I picked up over the years watching like 30-second videos or like a minute or two of like some YouTuber doing it on herself. And we're gonna try not to look like a clown. We gotta start with, I think we gotta prep, so I'm gonna clean my face. I'm such a bad... Okay, there. I put some of this. This is like my moisturizer, I guess. Next, this is what I put on. Oh, why am I doing this? Yo, I need to get sponsored by MakeUp on some real shit because that's what I be repping all the time. And like I said, I don't even know if I'm doing this right. Burp on my gut. So, little disclaimer. I haven't tried this foundation. I bought it to try it out. So y'all gonna be my witnesses. It's the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer in 08A Warm Sand. First impression, as soon as I start, blending it in, I don't know how to feel about it. I don't know how to feel about this. I'm kind of hopeful. I'm actually kind of like, what does oxidizing mean? Because I've heard people say, let it oxidize. Does that mean to like let it set in or something? I hope so. I'm gonna go in with this baby and see what it does. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. You wanna learn how to catfish? Come through, watch this tutorial. I got you. And then we're gonna just we're gonna put a little bit. Clearly that wasn't a little bit. What? It ain't looking all that bad, you know what I'm saying? Hold up, let me find out I did something right. Look out, MUAs, Highdira coming for the steal. Anastasia, Glow Kit, and Gleam. I've had this for a while. My ex bought me this. Thank you for nothing. So I'm gonna use this Morphe palette, the 35C. I really do struggle like to do my makeup. And so right now, like, the fact that this is actually like working is making me mad hype. Like, yo, I'm so shook right. Yo, I'm so shook right now. Follow Highdira, subscribe, bitch. You ain't got no choice now, bitch. You better subscribe to this. This is it. This is the freaking end product. That type. It's like you in a bitch that you act like. Que no me botan acá. La pinche tacuache, what? None of my friends replied to me. But I ain't alone, because Mary Jane always with me and that bitch is loyal as fuck, you know?